Hello, I'm John McNamara. I'm the Information Architect for IBM Messaging, and I'm here today with a number of the mqlight development team from IBM Hersley. We're going to talk to you a little bit about mqlight and give you a quick tease before we announce a Hangout on October the 10th, which will be live, where you can then post questions and suggestions, and we'll give you a proper demo of the product. The idea behind this is now that mqlight's gone GA, we'd like very much to work with the developers who are going to play with our mqlight technology, give us feedback and chat to us. The idea being that as we go forward, you can help shape the product. So first off then, is it worthwhile chatting about what mqlight actually is? Rob, can you give us a quick introduction?
Sure, thanks John. So yeah, mqlight is a new messaging product from IBM, and it's really focused on solving the problems that developers need to solve as they build applications. So we've really tried to focus in on the most common use cases to build a product that's really, really simple and easy to use to solve those use cases. Yeah, for one example, we find people trying to build worker offload patterns to offload the front end to create a really, really responsive application, offload any time-consuming tasks to workers on the back end. And yeah, that's one of the use cases we focus on. So mqlight is available both as software that you can download and also in the cloud in IBM's Bluemix cloud service. And we've focused on making the product as easy to set up and install as software as we possibly can, and we also have a graphical user interface that allows us to solve, help developers to solve problems that they might have as they're building an app, such as where's my message gone.
That sounds awesome, Rob. So you mentioned there's kind of duality. You've kind of got this software you can download on your machine, and you've got this mqlight in the cloud as well. What's the purpose behind that?
Well, as I said, it's available in both as a download and Bluemix, and they look the same. So you can develop an app using mqlight on the desktop, and then you can push that same app unchanged into Bluemix, and you can run it there. Or you can develop an app in Bluemix, and then maybe run a copy locally to show to someone, or to extend it. So if you choose the download option, just go over to the website, download it, unzip it, and start it. And then you can build apps in Node.js or any other dynamic language that uses that has an AMQP protocol library. Or you can start with our samples and primers, so you don't have to write your own code. In either case, you can use the web UI to see what the app's doing and to solve problems. In Bluemix, it's pretty much the same. Log into Bluemix and create a service in Bluemix, and then link your app, bind your apps to that service, and you're away. So very similar experience in both environments.
Rob mentioned that this is kind of focused towards developers. What does that really mean? What benefit will the developer get from this?
So really every single one of our design decisions has been focused on addressing developer pain points. We want to really lower the barrier to entry. We want to make it as easy to get started as possible. We've got some really great APIs. We've got a Node.js API that's incredibly easy to get started with, really powerful, great to use. We've got some developer-focused tooling, and I'm just going to really quickly try and share this. This is the bit. That's the technical bit. Okay. Now this is the mqlight web UI. Okay. It's empty right now. There's nothing going on here. And what we'll be doing in the actual Hangout itself is I'll be sort of going through this, explaining what problems it solves. Show it in action. Show messages flying around, and show how it really can make it much easier for you as a developer writing a messaging app. Again, that's happening right now in the Hangout itself. It'll be really, really busy. We'll be talking all about it. For now, trust me, as a developer, as someone who writes messaging apps, I've found this really useful, and we think it's really cool. So we just really want to share all the really cool stuff that we've done here, and that we're really proud of. So. Yeah.
Trust me, I'm a developer. You heard it here first. Buddy, that sounds fantastic. So, okay, in that case then, just to reiterate and to pass out, on October the 10th at 4 p.m., we've got our live Hangout. During and before, if you can, tweet us any questions you have about mqlight and put a hashtag of mqlight in there. We'll collate them and we'll answer as many as possibly can. Thank you very much indeed for listening, and thank you guys for joining in. Take care, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thanks.